Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. 4x5 reversal film. Well, jewelry shot. Many jewelry shot I did. Well, this is my today's subject, and also I have this pencil drawing type of image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Pretty nice pencil drawing type of image, isn't it? Yeah, that's pretty good. And also look at these diamonds rings. You don't even see the grooves. It took so long time to stand these rings up. Well, kind of image is gonna be using these two images. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna change this blend mode. Change blend mode to darken. Really nice. So sharp. Overlay. Hey, that's pretty nice colors. Look at these. Yeah, it's so nice, huh? Nice colors. Hey, this is really so fantastic. That's real nice. Luminosity. So subtle and it's really nice. Yeah. Wow, that's great. Alright, I want to make this image first. Okay, let's see. Select multiple and two layers. To get this, duplicate layers. Now merge selected. Yeah, I got this image. So nice, subtle colors. I love it. Let's see. I just want to see it. Turn on and let's see. Change blend mode to dark. Multiply. It gets a little bit too dark. Maybe I can tone down. Well, okay, just leave it here now. Not multiply, just normal, even though it's subtle colors. Okay, just turn it off to keep it now. And let me see, change this pencil drawing type of image. Change blend mode to, oh yeah, divide. Okay, I guess, you know what, divide. So much shiny image. Okay, I want to fix this divide image too. Now I'm going to select multiple. Now duplicate layer and merge selected. This is divide image, right? Now let's see. This top layer is luminosity effect layer. This is just a touch thin. Thin colors, but real nice pastel. Let me see, move this one down bottom of the divide effect layer. Then I want to see this. Well, turn it off, these others. Now I just want to see this divide. Change blend mode to lighten. Look at this. Diamonds are lighten up. So we got real nice, huh? Look at this. Wow, such a gentle colors, huh? Well, maybe I want to make some just a touch dark colors or pastel. So in this case, okay, leave this divide. Blend mode is lighten, just the way it is, and I'm going to duplicate this luminosity effect layer. Now we have two luminosity effect layer. Then what about the top one? This one, I'm gonna change blend mode to multiply. Look at this. Darken the colors. Before I didn't have divide. There was so much dark on pencil drawing type image lines, but I put divide to lighten up. So only the color goes darker. Wow, hey, this is success, huh? Yeah, that's nice. Hey, that's it for today, man. I really love this. Oh my god, this is so nice. I didn't touch anything, I just changed the blend mode. Well, this is it. That's what I'm really looking for. That's really nice. Well, I'm gonna make some white mask or something to finish up this. Yeah, I want to make this image as a base image. So, in this case, I'm gonna fix this 2 layers. I'm gonna fix this, select multiple. Then duplicate layers. Now merge selected to fix this image now. Okay, this is overlay 50, right? Overlay 50, right. Okay. Turn it off this pencil drawing type image now. Original image. Then move this overlay 50 effect layer, go up all the way top. Then I'm gonna make mask, create empty mask, then invert mask. Then I'm gonna turn on these 3 layers, this base image, pastel real nice image. Then I'm gonna reveal this top layer with, let's see, J-Chalk rough. I don't know, do I need to reveal? Well, let's see. You don't know. You have to see first. For couple. Yeah. It is for couple. Well, I don't even need this. Okay, I just want to add some outside border. One, add layer. Then I just want to add mask, white layer mask. Then fill in, then make mask, create empty mask. Now I'm going to select this time, what's J Cloud? Cloudy look. Let me try. Well, real general illustration type image. Now I want to change this. I fixed this image already, so I want to change this layer now to add some color. So I'm going to turn this one off, then I'm going to add one more layer. Then I'm going to add watercolor. Okay. Create a layer, then I want to add as a reflection something, round detail. Just an accent. Yeah, I guess that's about it. Or just Well, reflection something? Well, I kind of like this. Well, I guess that's it. Yeah, this is the result of today's subject. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and let's be creative, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. All right.